Welcome to the Petting Club channel, where dogs and cats are family. In the previous video, I told you about our family of dogs and cats and how we came up with the idea of Petting Club. I was also talking about how great it was for us on those days that we could find great matches for our dogs to play with, and how we wanted this great experience routinely available to all dog lovers. In this video, I will go over the main features of Petting Club, but before I do that, let's watch another video of Annie playing with her friends. So how did we make this great experience routinely available to all dog lovers? Well, Petting Club is free. There is no price attached to it. It is available both on phones, iPhone and Android, and now it is also available on desktops. While on Petting Club, you can browse dogs in your location based on breed, size, age, and friendliness. There is also a tab in your dog's profile when you can describe your dog, what dogs he likes to play with, how he likes to be greeted, what is his play style. People usually write very nicely and extensively about their animals. Then you look at the search results and hopefully read the descriptions and find the best matches for your dog, and then schedule a play date or a walk together. So initially it was all about the dogs, but then people told us, yeah, it's great that we can find great matches for our dogs to play with, but humans need to get along as well. So now we have a tab in the human profile when you can write as much or as little about yourself. Usually people write about their hobbies and such in that section. PettingClub also has a private chat on the app. You can connect with anyone on the app via chat. I always think it's a good idea to connect with people via chat before you schedule a play date or a walk together. Another feature that people find very useful is the walking out. Some people just don't like to plan when they would be walking with their dogs, but they still would like their dogs to play with other dogs. So the only thing you need to do is just click on the walking now, just a few minutes before you leave, and your walk will appear in the nearby walks section, and people will be able to join you. Another feature I would like to talk about is the check-in. The check-in feature was designed with the dog park in mind, but it works exactly the same way for any dog-friendly location, whether it's an off-leash area or a dog park or a dog-friendly restaurant. For illustration purposes, I will talk about the dog park. So we all know the feeling when we go to the dog park and there is nobody to play with. With PettingClub, it doesn't have to happen anymore. Any PettingClub member can check in the local dog park, see who else is there, and decide whether he wants to go there or not. Maybe a dog that does not get along with yours is there, so maybe just wait until he checks out. Or go to the park if your dog's best friends are already there. Everybody that checks in the dog park are checking in on the same page. They can chat with each other on that page and coordinate their stays. There are other exciting features on PettingClub. With PettingClub, you can find dog-friendly locations that are popular in your community. The other exciting thing that you can do on PettingClub is to share everything you do on PettingClub. You can share that on Facebook. All your walks, your check-ins, everything you do on PettingClub, you can share that also on Facebook. Dogs and cats have their own pages. You can love, follow, post comments, pictures and GIFs, and share. Speaking of GIFs, it's really easy to create a GIF with PettingClub. Let's say you want to create a GIF that is a morph between yourself and your dog or cat. All you need to do is to get the pictures and follow the instructions on PettingClub, and the GIF is ready, and it's also ready to be shared. So these are the main features of PettingClub. In subsequent videos, I will go in depth into each and every one of them so that you will see exactly how it works. We want to hear from you. Please subscribe to our channel, check out PettingClub, and most importantly, tell us how your dogs and cats are making you